Lapit tayo mag-end. Kalating oras na lang. Walking what we found. No, no.
Morning.
Okay.
Morning.
Me to 23. Kada.
Yung isang channel, 4K, 4K na.
Okay,
yun,
full watch na, Tay Kaislaw.
yun, i-apply. Sayang. Ibig sabihin, nung nawala yung cellphone, hindi niya i-apply si Redmonds. Tambay lang, Kaislaw. Prepare ako. Puntang work. Work? Sabado ngayon may work ka pa.
Reveal the secret. The truth behind DigoSure Milk Box, favored by many people with bone and joint diseases. There have been 170,000 sales to date. Take a look at DigoSure, a joint health product that starts 100% healthy plant protein. Selected nutritious nuts such as methi, pecans, sasha inchi, oats are all important.
Ganda ng laban, oh. Nakakatawa, oh. Ayun.
Provides a rich source of vitamins, minerals,
Ay. Kita nyo?
omega-3.
Butik din.
Thanks to the 5 loxin in the formula, DigoSure helps
Nanood ako ng nalaban, no?
low dose.
Yan.
Preparation from rare
Mangas,
with many other vitamins.
Oh, binugbog yung yung kalaban, yung
Combining 5
hapon.
loxin with Aquamin F
Oh,
helps
maliit
to
lang
increase
siya.
the effect of calcium supplementation.
Nakakatuwa nga kanina nagharap sila eh. Maangas yung maliit eh. Ito.
This is not only a very good solution
Kita nyo?
for people with bone and
Yan yung maliit.
but also a perfect choice for healthcare.
Adapted ni Freddy Roach. Oh. Yan ang adapted ni Freddy Roach. Ayun oh. Diyan ako natatawa tayo Kaislaw.
Ngayon,
Matibay yung maliit oh. Ayan oh.
Tulad ng normal na tao at
Uy.
nakakatakbo sa isang bagay na hindi ko magawa dati.
Ako po si Josepina Casinyo. Ngayon po,
Ayan.
nagpabili ako sa anak ko.
Nakakatawa yung anak ni Freddy Roach. Pero adapted lang yun ha. Hindi yung anak talaga ni Freddy Roach yan. Hindi yan anak
Parang
na tunay. Adapted lang ba?
Mag-iisang buwan na.
Oy, may ads tayo Kaislaw.
Ako ng tuhod.
Sana all. 2 months, 119 views na to.
To the bathroom by myself. That really
O, sunod tayo, sunod. Hindi na malabas yung isang cellphone ko. Sayang, hindi nakapag-play yung isang cellphone ko eh. Isa lang oh.
So, it reduces really the
Kaya,
the agony.
pangit talaga dito mag-live siya, no? Kasi ang hina ng internet.
Gawin ang gusto ko.
Oh, nanalo pa oh.
Huwag mag-alala sa akin ang aking mga
Nanalo pa yung maliit.
ko ngayon, araw-araw
Maganda manood dito, ah.
buhay ng malusog na ganito.
Lakas,
Tunay
oh.
akong masaya. Ang pagkakaroon ng malusog na katawan.
Hinalang natin ah.
Huge discounts from the
Mary Gina Royala, shout out. Ayan oh, full watch na po. Kaso nagkaroon ng ads, 2 ads ito tayo Kaislaw. Sana all.
customers who quickly order on the website or leave information directly in the comments section.
Panalo yung maliit oh. Galing. Oh, binugbog yung mga tangkad.
Join the Shopee affiliate program. Just go to the affiliate program.